Welcome to Learn English with Brits. Today we're going to talk about the meanings of 3 phrasal verbs. The first phrasal verb we're going to talk about today is hop on. Hop on is used when you are getting on or getting up onto something. So this might be a physical object. For instance, if you wanted to go on a bike ride, you might hop on your bike and off you go. Hop on is also often used when talking about transport. So if I wanted to go from the supermarket to my house, I might hop on the bus, buy a ticket, and ride a couple of stops. However, it can also be used when you aren't physically getting onto something. So for instance, if I had a meeting, I might hop on the computer by setting my computer up and logging in. The second phrase is jump on. Jump on is quite similar. It might be used to mean climb on. At the doctor's, the doctor might say, jump on the table, and then I would sit on the table so they could do their examination. Jump on can also be used about transport. Let's jump on the bus, quick, before it leaves. So you'd get on the bus quickly to make sure you caught it. Jump on can also mean to criticise. The final phrase is jump in. Jump in can mean physically, so you might jump into the pool. It's also often used to mean to do something quickly. So to jump in the bath would be to get in the bath quickly. But jump in can also mean to get started. So for instance, if someone really liked to study, they might jump into their studies and finish their first assignment a week early. Or if you went to a meeting but you were waiting on someone, the host might say, when Laura gets here, we'll jump in. So then you know that when Laura gets there, you'll be getting started. Last summer, I had to go to London for a hospital appointment. I caught the train down to the city. Once I reached the train station in London, I jumped on the underground to get to the hospital. When I was at the hospital, I had to wait a while. You often do. But thankfully, it didn't take too long. The nurse called me in before I saw the doctor and asked me to jump on the scales. I stepped on and they took my weight, and then I saw the doctor themselves. Thankfully, it was all good news. But it had been a long day, and when I got back, I was quite tired and achy, so I decided to jump into a hot bath and spend the rest of my evening relaxing.